Getting comfortable in Dynamics 365 Business Central is the key to unlocking its potential. Today, I'm going to show you how to walk through the general navigation in the system so you can move around like a pro. Here, we're on Dynamics 365 Business Central's homepage, or as Microsoft likes to call it, the Role Center. In the top left, you're going to see your company logo that's set up on your Microsoft tenant. You're going to see our logo here for Volt Technologies, but it's going to be whichever tenant you're currently logged into. And then you have your Microsoft action bar up here along the top, very similar with other Dynamics 365 products or other Microsoft 365 products. And on the very far left menu, you have the waffle icon, as we like to call it. Clicking on this menu is going to pop open all of the other menu items within your Microsoft 365 ecosystem. So just like any other Microsoft app, you can jump between Business Central and other apps that you have access to. Here on the right side, you'll see that we have the environments and the companies that are set up for Dynamics 365 Business Central. You can click on them to quickly navigate across to other companies. You'll see that we have two environments here set up, Sandbox and Production, and an assortment of companies in between them. If I wanted to jump to another company or environment, I could just click on this and it will navigate over there with just ease. And then on the right, you have your Copilot icon. This will allow you to talk with Microsoft's AI Copilot platform, asking questions, explaining things within the system, something we're going to dive into in a later video. And then the most useful feature of the action bar is going to be your search icon. So you can click on this. This is going to allow you to open up and search for anything inside of the system. So this gives you a lot of quick access to things in the system. Like if I wanted to go to customers, I can quickly navigate to customers, whether that's the searching on the current page or all pages and tasks in the system or all reports in the system. If I want to expand and see every single page in the system, I can just hit show all, and it's going to show me all of the lists that have a customer on them. So if I navigate there, you can see I can just click here on customers. It's going to drill through to that page for me and then show if there's any customers in here. As this is a demo environment, there is no customer set up at the moment, but we're going to show you how to create one in a later video. And if I want to just navigate back, I can either click on this back icon here, or an easy way to do it is hit the escape button. That's going to bring you right back to the page that you were at right before this. You also have, within the search icon, the ability to set favorites. So if I want to set a new favorite for me, I can type in a page in the system, and let's go to warehouse entries here. And then I have on the right side this little bookmark icon. I can select bookmark, and then that's going to now show up within my bookmark on the Role Center. So you can see that here on the far right side. So I have all my favorites here for quick and easy access. If I want to get back to this search icon, I can come up here and click on the top right, or my favorite shortcut of all of them is Alt+Q. That's going to pop up that search icon again for you. So then you can start typing in that page. And I'm going to show you how to remove that warehouse entries from your favorites. You can see this bookmarked icon. When I click this, it's now going to tell me that that bookmark was removed from my Role Center. If I close this out, you'll see I now no longer have those warehouse entries here. So just showing you some quick and easy movements around the system, setting favorites. That way you can operate like a pro in the system. And then up here on the top, you have what's called your Role Center menu items. So I'm currently in the business manager role within the system. So this is going to show you all different types of things that you need to run your business, whether financials, cash, sales, or purchasing. And if you want to explore other menu items that are associated with those modules, you can just click on the drop down, and then it's going to show you the other menu items that are associated with that given module that you've selected. So underneath finance, you can see things like general journals, chart of accounts, or I can click on cash management and see things like payment journals and bank accounts. And if I want to change the modules here and make them specific for my role, I can go up to the cog icon on the top right, go to My Settings, select the three dots next to the role, and then now this is going to expand all of the roles that are available by default in the system. These are configurable based on the specific role that you're looking for, but let's just pop open the Sales and Relationship Manager to show how that changes from the Business Manager role in the system. When I hit OK here, it's going to refresh my page, and now show me all of the things that are pertinent to a sales and relationship manager, like my sales quotes, my sales pipeline, my opportunities. So you can see now under the sales on the top left, I have contacts, opportunities, quotes, and other documents like my posted sales orders and archived sales orders. So if I go back over here, go to my favorite role, again, I'm going to go back to my business manager. It's going to refresh the page and then show me all of the things that are pertinent for the business manager role. The best way to explore all menu items in the system is going to be to come up here to the top right and select the hamburger icon to then expand all of the menu items that are available within this given role. So you can see here, I have the business manager role. Oops, accidentally clicked over there. I have the business manager role that shows all the menu items across finance, purchasing, cash, and sales. But if I want to see all of the different menu items that are available to me, I can select explore more roles. And then now it's going to show me every single menu item in the system that is available for me, dependent on my permissions that I have. So if I want to see everything inside of finance, I can hit explore and it's going to show me all the menu items here that are associated with finance. This is the best way to learn the system, is to start exploring all the menu items that are available out there that you have access to. Now I'm just going to go back home. Perfect. And then here on the top right, you also have the help icon. So this is an easy way for you to search for things that are within Microsoft Learn or to get related resources for the current page that you're looking at. There's also a list for all the keyboard shortcuts on here. So if you enjoyed that Alt+Q to get to the search icon, there are tons of keyboard shortcuts that are available out there for you. I definitely recommend diving into those, and potentially we'll have a later video on that as well. And so that's it for the general navigation. Thanks for watching this video. Hopefully you found a lot of tips on how to go through the system like a pro. We're going to be diving into much more detail in the later videos, so I'll see you then.